Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today, asking what message did the cards have for you today, and the Five of Pentacles came through. And so this indicates that you've got a lot of worries at the moment, probably mostly in regard to finances. There's a lot of stress and worry. How are we going to survive? You know, things are costing so much. Are we going to get through? Okay. And so, but what this card is also telling us that there's something else that you may not be seeing that could help you in regards to your situation and your worry and what it is you're worrying about. That there's a bigger picture here, and there's maybe something that you can't see, you know, and it could be just asking for help from the universe, or, you know, asking help from a friend, or whatever it is, your situation that you're going through. Feel free to let me know in the comments if there's something that you're going through that you are worrying continuously about. And it also indicates that, you know, now's not the time to be going out and spending lots and lots and lots of money. You know, it's a time to just really, you know, stay centered in yourself. Don't go out spending too much money and increase the worries that you've already got. Just really sort of take a little bit of a step back and, you know, looking at budgets and things like that. And just know that, you know, at the moment you might be going through something, but, you know, there could be some valid opportunities that could improve your situation at this time that can be showing up that you may not be seeing. So just take a step back, look around. Is there something that, you know, is stepping into your life that you can't see that may help you in some way? All right? There's always a solution to a problem. Let me know if you resonate with this, and make sure you like it so I know to bring you more, and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you're notified of upcoming readings and videos that I do. And yeah, just know, try not to worry too much. All right, see ya.